Hi guys, my name's Ray. Looking forward to my videos, the Ray Magic, and please subscribe and comment on this video. And I know about Miss Tiffany, our horse instructor. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, Kim does horseback riding. She went to a competition. I don't know. I have another rip. Yeah. Here is Garrison. Say hi. He doesn't want to be seen. So, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, what I'm doing today is that Mr. Thompson, our uncle, is really cool. And, yeah, so bye guys.